Hey guys, it's Mike Chen. I just wanted to pop in here really quick and clarify a couple things before you start watching this video. What I wanted to clarify was that if you watch this channel and you watch the Strictly Dumpling channel, you'll notice after the Philippines, we of course started to upload the India videos, which is not exactly how the order of events actually went. What happened was we went to the Philippines, then to Malaysia, then I went on my own to Singapore and Korea, and then after that came back to New York and then went off to India. But because of a lot of unexpected technical issues, which includes but not limited to lost audio files and misplaced footages, we weren't able to fully showcase the Malaysia, Singapore, Korea part of the trip until all these issues were resolved, and we didn't really want to delay any uploads, so we decided to upload the India trip first. Anyway, it is kind of messy, so I wanted to apologize to you guys and explain what happened. Also, to really keep up with what I'm doing in real time, it's best to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the information is going to be here and in the description box below. So in this video, what you're about to see is right when we're at the airport in the Philippines heading to Malaysia, then to Singapore and Korea. Sometimes these things happen. I promise I'm not really trying to be confusing. All right, guys, thanks for hearing me out and enjoy the video.
All right, we're out to Malaysia. Oh my God, they sell lechon at the airport. Wow, that's a good looking lechon. Okay, I get the liquid, I get the golf clubs. Why is Furby not allowed on the airplane? That seems a little discriminatory. I mean, he's not gonna eat after midnight. I mean, just don't feed him after midnight. This is ridiculous. So you have to pay a terminal fee. That's a lot, actually, $750. That's like 15, 20 bucks per person, and cash only. Wow, I've never paid a terminal fee in my life. Well, this is the first time ever paying a terminal fee. This check-in process was crazy. We were over by about, I think 10 kilos, and they wanted to charge us an extra 10,000 pesos for that extra 10 kilos. So luckily we were able to take a lot of stuff out and put it in our backpacks, but that was crazy. And then this terminal fee thing. So I'm hoping that's it. I hope there's not like a boarding fee or some other random fee. Oh, nice. This lounge has made to order food. Thank God. Wow, calamansi juice. That should be very good. Not bad at all. That's actually good. It's nice and gingery. This might be one of the best airport lounge meals I've had, like anywhere. A couple of things to know about Malaysia. One, that was the longest airport ever. I was walking for like 15 minutes. Also, they don't really give you, like, usually when you go into a country, they give you like a declaration slip. That was not the case here. So here you just give them your boarding pass and it's pretty easy. This trip is kind of different. Usually we try to meet some local friends and go eat with them, have them show us around. This time we're actually gonna go from Kuala Lumpur all the way to Penang, and we're actually gonna have our local friends drive us the entire way. And we actually have no idea where we're gonna go eat. They are huge foodies, and they're just gonna take us to all their favorite food destinations. So the food decision is completely in their hands, and yeah, I think that's actually pretty interesting. I have no idea what I'm about to eat, but I am excited. Right now we're gonna go meet our friend Rick, who's picking us up from the airport. Oh, it is hot in Malaysia. This is way hotter than the Philippines right now. There's our friend Rick. Thanks for coming to pick us up, man. Yeah. Nice seeing you. Sorry, this camera is really bad low light, so Rick's face is all black. That's Rick. Oh, another country with a steering wheel on the right. This is our Airbnb. I think it's probably the nicest one we've been to so far. Got some complicated instructions. We don't know what he said. We're trying to find a mailbox where our key is. Really nice complex. Man, if I lived in this country, I'd probably stay here. Yep. How cute is that? That is the biggest cockroach I've ever seen in my life. Ooh, nice. Nice Airbnb. Look at this. Beautiful condo. Oh, there's a washer. We should have washed our clothes here instead. Cool little view. Ah, water heater. 1 bedroom. 2 bedroom. The bathroom. Oh, so the shower. Whoa. So there's really no nothing separating shower in the toilet. And the shower's right up there. This is probably the nicest Airbnb that I've been to so far. It's really, really nice. After a day of filming, we stopped at the Chinatowns night market. It's a massive night market, about 2 kilometers long. It's not you just keep walking. There are so many people here. Look at this. There's so many people. Let me show you what's in front of me. The stalls are so close together. Maybe about, I don't know, maybe about like 7-8 feet of walk space in between the 2 stalls on each side. There's a lot of smelly, there's a lot of stinky tofu vendors. But good thing for me, I can't smell anything because my sinus is all like blocked up. I can't smell anything. So I guess this will be the best day to eat a stinky tofu because it won't be stinky to me. It will just be tofu. Tofu. They fry it up and then they put it into a soup. And it's black, they told me, because of black beans that they put in here. And the soup, it smells really awesome. Maybe this is healing my sinuses, I don't know. But it smells, I smell some garlic, cilantro, onions. The soup smells actually really, really good. Alright, I don't know how much I like the tofu, but I think I really like the soup. I mean, they might as well just call this fried tofu. It tastes like fried tofu. The black bean thing, not really a factor. Finally, out of this night market. I think this is a really fun night market. It's really long. It's the longest night market I have ever walked. It's kind of crazy because you can't really walk in a circle. So if you walk one way, you gotta walk back, which can get pretty tiring. And like I mentioned before, it's crowded as heck because the walkway is so narrow. But it's a fun night market, lots of different vendors, and there's a whole side street here that you can walk on that's mainly food stalls and restaurants on the side. So if I lived in Malaysia, yeah, I would come to this night market all the time. Anyway, I'm glad I came to experience this. It was a lot of fun. I think my voice is finally giving out and the food coma is creeping in, so I gotta go to bed. Trust me, this sounds a lot better than it was yesterday. It's about 4:50, almost 5 o'clock. We're leaving and going to the next city on our tour, Ipoh, which is really known for a chicken. So we're good. I mean, it's not like, you know, a famous chicken. It's known for a chicken dish. and that's where we're gonna go eat. So we're gonna drive there, and that'll be the second to the last city we're gonna be in Malaysia until Jasmine and Ben goes back to New York, and I gotta go to Singapore, and then eventually Korea. I don't think I told you guys why I'm going to Korea. I'll tell you when it gets closer. At our Airbnb here at Ipoh, and really it's kind of like in the middle of the town center. Hello. 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 All right, thank you. Are you from the UK? No. 2 beds here, 1 bed here. Oh, nice. Really clean place. Oh, the master bedroom here. This is a really nice Airbnb. It's right in the middle of everywhere. It's clean, really clean. This is the first Airbnb that it gave us like a bunch of waters and snacks. Really, really nice owner. This is a great place. Absolutely by far the best Airbnb experience. I mean, Uncle just brought us soy milk, which I just filmed, and tofu pudding, tofu bok. He's such a nice guy. Last day in Malaysia, or last full day in Malaysia. Forgot about this. I bought this yesterday. Sticky rice cake thingy. Let's see what it tastes like. So our local friends tells us that we need to microwave it. It's gonna get nice and, oh wait, how's this even work? I gotta turn outlets on in this country. Yeah, just to microwave it for like a minute. Oh, it's all gooey. Again, banana leaves all around. So this is what came out of it. Fresh coconut shavings. It's really sticky, like really, really, really sticky. The finger lick was good. That's pretty awesome. The fresh coconut shavings are perfect with it because the cake is really, really, really sticky. If you come here, you can find a lady who sells it. I 100% recommend trying this for yourself. That's one of the best desserts here I had in Malaysia. Seriously. So good. We are on our drive to Penang, which is an island. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. Which means that's seafood. I don't think she cares. I'm at this turtle pond and I bought these little veggies. Apparently, they're like crack to turtles because look at this. They're all like conjugating near this food. I guess turtles love salad. They're just swimming. They're all swimming over here. Here you go. Our last Airbnb together. Pretty nice building, like a luxury condo. No shoes? That's okay. Where does it say that?
I read the instructions.
Oh, no shoes with Dorian? That's mainly for you, not me. Why'd you take Dorian last place? Whoa, this Airbnb is pretty gorgeous. Look at this. High-rise building. Very modern. Like it. Wow, look at this. Massive building. Oh, oceanside view. And the little pond view. Pretty nice. Bathroom. Oh, when you shower, you actually don't get water on the toilet. That's actually really new. The bedrooms. 2-bed. Another 2-bed. And the 1-bed. The bathroom and the master bedroom is awesome too. This might be the best, like, modern, clean Airbnb that we rented so far. What is this? That's locked. An Asian dryer. Pretty darn good. Good Airbnb. All right, found out why this place is not also perfect. There's no Wi-Fi. That's pretty bad. I mean, it's not like I'm an internet addict. It's just that we need to work. We can't work. Oh well, we leave tomorrow, so it's just one night. But the thing is, like, it said it has Wi-Fi on the thing. So if it said it has Wi-Fi on the Airbnb, it doesn't have Wi-Fi. That's not good. So this is Chu Jetty. It's a UNESCO site, a fishing village. Now it's just like, it looks like a bunch of commercial shops. You can buy some souvenirs, some clothing. I got my fish magnet, probably overpaid for it. And this is supposed to be the really famous wall art that's supposed to be in Penang. This is really cool. This is gourd. It's really useful. Chinese people in the ancient times will make this into like wine jugs, water jugs, medicine containers. You empty this out, this thing becomes, you know, a really cool, fun-looking container for a lot of uses. Or you can also eat it. So we're walking along, and then we see these massive bowls, and apparently they make massive bowls of noodles. And this was supposed to just like, we're walking around, taking a break from eating. So I guess now we're taking a break from eating by eating. Yeah, I could take a bath in here. I could. Just had a massive bowl of noodles, and we still got like 3 more food locations to film for today. I feel we're surprisingly still pretty good. I can go on eating. I think we're at the end of the fishing village, and it's just so peaceful and nice here. Look at this. This is some new Lunar New Year festival going on here. We're on to our next food place. And there's a line, look at this. Hokkien lor mee. It's supposed to be the best, but I gotta go film my next food video, so I shouldn't. Really happening festival. I think they're giving away like free wine or beer or something. They're making some kind of rice cake. With peanuts on the inside. Apparently these are really famous street art here. That's a must-see when you're in Penang. Pretty cool. They turned the middle of this mall into like this traditional looking Chinese village scenery thingy. Look at this. It's all lanterns hanging everywhere. It's actually really pretty. I'm going to Korea in a week, and for some stupid reason, I didn't think I needed a winter jacket. So yeah, I didn't bring my winter jacket. And I'm thinking that if I buy it here, it's going to be much cheaper than buying it in Singapore, much cheaper than buying it in Korea. So we just finished filming. It's 10 o'clock. We're hoping Uniqlo here is still open. And this is the Queens Mall here. It's a beautiful mall, huge. Still a lot of people here. It's like 10:15. Still open? Yeah, nice, thank you. Yay. Problem is, they don't really have a lot of winter stuff here because, you know, this country's not usually that cold. This is the best they got right here. I guess this is my new jacket. But this thing for 50 bucks, that's a pretty good deal. Okay, got what I came to get. Now it's time to go to bed. See you tomorrow.